everyone, welcome back to the Rider Pro. Today we're checking out the all-new 2026 Yamaha XTZ250Z ADV, a mid-size adventure machine that promises to deliver off-road capability and everyday usability. Let's dive in. Design and visuals. The XTZ250Z ADV catches your eye immediately with its rugged styling and adventure-ready stance. It features a tall windscreen, wide handguards, a high front fender, and a sculpted fuel tank to emphasize go-anywhere attitude. The seating position is upright and the wheels lean into the off-road DNA. In short, design meets function. Engine N. Performance under the skin. The XTZ250Z ADV is powered by a refined 249cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine inherited from the XTZ250 line, delivering usable torque for both trail and road rides. In Yamaha.com.co. While Yamaha hasn't released full global specs for this ADV variant yet, you can expect a smooth fuel-injected setup, likely in the 20-ish HP, 20nm torque region derived from the previous XTZ250 in Yamaha.com.co. The engine is paired to a 5-speed gearbox, making the bike nimble both at slower technical speeds and on open pavement. Chassis, suspension and handling. The ADV version raises the bar for dual sport performance, with longer travel front suspension and a higher ground clearance compared to standard street models. The XTZ250Z ADV is built to handle both gravel tracks and tarmac with ease. The lightweight frame and upright geometry mean you'll feel confident when standing on the pegs or carving through twisty roads. The suspension is tuned to soak up rough surfaces while still staying stable on harder surfaces. Ergonomics and comfort. Riding comfort is a big plus here. The seat height is elevated, as is typical for adventure bikes, but Yamaha has balanced it with a relatively narrow profile so shorter riders won't feel too isolated. The upright bars and roomy foot peg placement give you control and comfort whether you're hitting dirt or city streets. Storage options and rack mount compatibility also make it a practical choice for weekend adventures. Technology and features. Yamaha has equipped the XTZ250Z ADV with modern touches, a digital instrument cluster, multiple riding modes depending on region, ABS for both wheels, and LED lighting all around. The ADV styling brings a protective skid plate, off-road tires or mixed-use tires, and maybe even switchable ABS modes for the dirt. All of this enhances its versatility, use case, and rider profile. So who is this bike for? If you're a rider who wants one machine that can do daily commuting, weekend trail rides, and light touring, this is it. It's ideal for riders looking for adventure without jumping into heavyweight, high-maintenance big bikes. For riders in Pakistan or similar markets, its mid-size engine means easier licensing, lower running costs, and better maneuverability in traffic, yet still decent for gravel roads and light off-road use.